The PureFlo ESM Plus powered air purifying respirator is an intrinsically safe approved head-mounted all-in-one powered air purifying respirator providing respiratory, head, eye and face protection, designed for use in medium to heavy industrial applications. The PureFlo ESM Plus PAPR comes in two main variants. The ESM Plus PF23 with bump cap for use in pharmaceutical and healthcare applications, and the ESM Plus PF33 with hard hat for use in medium to heavy industrial applications. The ESM Plus PF33 also has the option to add high heat protection for use in smelting and metalwork applications. The head-mounted design of the PureFlo ESM Plus means there is no hose or waist-mounted unit. This prevents the risk of snagging and enhances user comfort and mobility in the workplace. The unit does not require face fit testing prior to use and can be worn with facial hair and/or spectacles. To ensure optimum performance, this video will outline the basic instructions for the proper use and maintenance of the PureFlo ESM Plus respirator. The ESM Plus respirators are available in a wide variety of options and can be configured for use in many industrial applications. The main products are based around the following three options. The ESM Plus PF23. The PF23 is supplied with a bump cap approved to EN-812, a fixed visor approved to EN-166, and several protective neck cape options, including standard black, white nylon, and Tychem. The PF23 is particularly suited for lighter industrial applications, including use in the pharmaceutical and healthcare industries. The ESM Plus PF33. The PF33 units includes a hard hat approved to EN-397 and a visor, either fixed or lifting, which is also approved to EN-166 for optical clarity and impact resistance. The PF33 can be configured in a wide variety of options and includes multiple neck cape and hard hat options. This makes the PF33 an ideal choice for respiratory protection in a wide variety of medium and heavy-duty industrial environments. The PF33 is also available in a high heat option, which includes a luminized head top and neck cape, providing respiratory protection in heavy-duty industries such as metal processing and smelting. As the PF33 is a head-mounted all-in-one solution, it has the advantage of being easily donned and doffed, plus it does not impede with any protective clothing worn by the user. For added protection, the PF33 has the option of external visors being fitted, providing greater worker safety. These range from metal mesh through to gold-coated polycarbonate and are covered in greater detail later in this video. For the purpose of the following demonstration, we will be using the PureFlo ESM Plus PF33. The ESM Plus PF33 is an out-of-the-box solution, meaning you can be ready for work within minutes. In the box you will find powered air purifying respirator, factory-fitted visor protector, P3 HEPA filter, 2 rechargeable nickel metal hydride batteries, 2 battery chargers and cable, user manual, maintenance record, visor retaining clip, protective carrier bag. Now that you've unpacked your respirator, we need to set it up ready for use. To charge the battery packs, insert the battery charger cable into the battery and then plug the charger into the mains power supply. The charger is supplied with multiple regional adapters which are easily fitted onto the charger. Charge the battery as shown. The following indicators and warnings may be given during charging. LED yellow. Battery is not connected. LED yellow. Battery initialization and analysis. LED orange. Fast charge. LED green with intermittent flash. Top-off charge. LED green. Trickle charge. LED alternating orange, green. Error. If the error mode is showing on the charger, then please disconnect the battery from the power source and do not use. Please also note that the nominal recharge time for a battery is 2.5 hours. To install a fully charged battery, insert the battery into the battery housing until it clicks fully into position. Make sure to close the Velcro straps to protect the charging terminals. To install a new P3 HEPA filter, remove the current filter by unscrewing the filter in an anti-clockwise direction. Take the new filter and attach by offering up to the housing, turning clockwise. Hand tighten the filter to ensure that the housing threads are not damaged. Do not over-tighten. Ensure that the new filter is not cross-threaded on the housing and that it is clear and free of any obstructions. To install a new ABE P3 filter, repeat the steps as described when installing the P3 filter. Ensure that the filter seal has been removed prior to fitting to the unit. For maximum comfort, it's important to take time to ensure your respirator fits correctly before use. To do this, we will carry out the following checks. Quick release headband adjustment. Crown strap adjustment. The quick release headband must be adjusted for comfort and balance prior to entering the work environment. To increase the circumference, press the ratchet release button and pull gently on the headband strap. The circumference can be reduced by rotating the ratchet. Please note that in order to ensure the best fit and comfort, it may be necessary to remove the headband from the unit. Remove the crown pad. To set the brow height, adjust the crown strap as shown. Adjust the crown strap to the required size. Ensure that the strap is secured in the retaining clips. Replace the crown pad. To achieve optimum comfort and safety, it's important to adjust the respirator to achieve the best balance as shown. To provide a greater level of stability when wearing the respirator, the headband assembly can be on one of two locating settings as shown. This provides the user with a greater level of safety and comfort. Before using your respirator, check the neck cape or face seal for any material damage. Check the operation of the neck cape toggle fastener. Check the neck cape or face seal attachment to the respirator chassis. Check the exhale patch for any contamination. Check the quick release headband is properly installed. Replace any damaged parts, including scratched or damaged visors and visor protectors. For added protection and safety, the respirator can be fitted with an external visor carrier and a selection of visors. External visor carrier fitting. To fit the external visor carrier, place the carrier locating pins in the holding slots on each side of the helmet as shown. Push the locating pins firmly into the slots until they click into place. External visor fitting. Place the external visor on the locating pins and fix at each side using the holding clips as shown. The external visor range is as follows. Metal mesh visor. Half-length green shade 3 visor. Full-length green shade 3 visor. Full-length green shade 5 visor. Full-length gold-coated green shade 4 to 5 visor. Lift the external visor to ensure it clears the main respirator visor. Once your respirator is adjusted to your own personal fit, donning your respirator is quick and easy. Donning the respirator. Switch the unit on using the on-off button on the side of the respirator. The respirator will now go through a starting sequence or self-check. Initially, the LED will illuminate red. After approximately 5 seconds, the LED will change from red to green. The LED will remain illuminated solid green to indicate that the unit is in a usable condition. If the red LED does not extinguish or continues to flash, either in the slow or fast mode, do not use the respirator. If fitted, adjust the neck cape using the toggle fastener to tighten the drawstring and provide a comfortable seal against the neck. Please note that units fitted with the flame retardant neck seal will not require this adjustment. If fitted, ensure the face seal is pulled under the chin and is not twisted or folded. Firmly close the visor. If fitted, check that the neck cape fully inflates, indicating positive pressure within the respirator. If the neck cape does not inflate, perform the previous 2 steps again. Once the respirator is fitted correctly, the LED in the sidebar display will illuminate green to indicate that the system is in a usable condition. If the LED is illuminated red or the alarm sounds, action is required. Users must also consider whether the filter has sufficient life for the planned time in the work environment. Never enter the working environment with the LED illuminated red or with the alarm sounding. During normal operating, the following warnings may be given. Red LED fast flashing and alarm sounding indicates the filter is ready for replacement and needs changing as soon as possible. Red LED fast flashing and alarm sounding indicates that airflow cannot be maintained. Stop work immediately and replace the filter. Red LED slow flashing and alarm sounding indicates to stop work immediately and replace the batteries. Doffing the respirator. Do not remove the respirator until you have vacated the contaminated area. If fitted, fully loosen the neck cape drawstring by releasing the toggle fastener. Remove the respirator. Press the on-off switch to turn the unit off. If special decontamination procedures are required, take appropriate precautions and place the respirator in a suitable sealed container. If no decontamination procedures are required, clean the respirator as described later in this video. The P3 HEPA filter must be replaced when the LED indicator is illuminated red. The ABE-P3 combination filter must be replaced in accordance with the stipulated on-site filter exchange program. When changing any filter, please ensure that the unit is held in an upright position, as shown, when removing a used filter. This is to prevent any contamination entering the respirator. To install a new P3 HEPA filter, remove the current filter by unscrewing the filter in an anti-clockwise direction. Take the new filter and attach by offering up to the housing and turning clockwise. Hand tighten the filter to ensure that the housing threads are not damaged. Ensure that the new filter is not cross-threaded on the housing and that it is clear and free of any obstructions. To install a new ABE-P3 filter, repeat the steps as described when installing the P3 filter. Ensure that the filter seal has been removed prior to fitting to the unit. To replace the battery, firstly ensure that the Velcro straps covering the charging terminal are undone. To release the battery, press down on the top of the battery as shown and remove from the respirator frame. To install a new, fully charged battery, insert the battery into the battery housing until it clicks fully into position. Close the Velcro straps to protect the charging terminals. Starting at the rear of the respirator, release the retaining press studs and unhook from the retaining point located at the front of the unit. To install a new neck cape or neck seal, start by placing the new neck cape on the locating hook at the front of the visor and attach the press studs. Ensure that all the press studs are fastened, the neck cape is not twisted, and it is positioned correctly around the filter mounting as shown. With the visor in the open position, pull the visor retaining clips downwards to remove the visor protector. Prior to fitting a new visor protector, ensure that the main visor is clear of any debris or contamination. Place the visor clips into the two holes on the visor protector and slide the protector onto the main visor. Apply equal pressure to both sides as shown in order to ensure a correct fit and the new visor protector is correctly located. Unclip the headband as shown and remove from the respirator. Place the new headband assembly on the frame and fasten into position, ensuring both sides are located correctly. Pull on the headband to ensure it is securely fitted. To assist with changing the brow, crown and nape pads, it may be necessary to remove the headband. Replacing the brow pad. Detach the brow comfort pad by opening the 3 press fasteners. Place the new brow pad onto the headband frame. Ensure the press fasteners are located on the outside of the headband. Replacing the crown pad. Detach the 3 press fasteners from the crown comfort pad and remove from the headband. Place the new crown pad around the headband crown strap and secure the press fasteners. Ensure the press fasteners are located on the outside of the crown strap. Replacing the nape pad. Detach the 4 press fasteners from the nape comfort pad and remove from the headband. Place the new nape pad around the rear of the headband and secure the press fasteners. Ensure the press fasteners are located on the outside of the headband. Daily inspection. On a daily basis and before use, it is recommended to undertake the following visual inspections. Check the neck cape or face seal for any material damage. Check the operation of the neck cape toggle fastener. Check the neck cape or face seal attachment to the respirator chassis. Check the exhale patch for any contamination. Check the quick-release headband is properly installed. Replace any damaged parts including scratched or damaged visors and visor protectors. The respirator should be cleaned after every use. Remove the respirator from the user's head before cleaning. Do not use a compressed air source to clean the respirator as this may cause damage to the unit. If fitted, ensure neck cape drawstring is closed. For units with gross contamination, ensure the visor is closed and unit is in an upright position. Clean the respirator using a clean cloth with a mild solution of a household liquid soap and water. For ingrained dirt on the outside of the unit, excluding visor, a nail brush, ultrasonic brush or scouring pad may be used. Dry the unit with a clean lint-free cloth. Do not use a heat source. Wipe the inside and outside of the unit, including motor plenum. If required, remove the headband assembly and neck cape. Pure Wipe cleaning wipes are recommended for this purpose. Do not immerse the helmet in water or any fluid. Do not use organic solvents or abrasive cleaning agents on any part of the equipment. Launder the neck cape or face seal, concussion strap and comfort pads as required using a mild solution of a household detergent and water at a maximum temperature of 30 degrees C. Disposal and cleaning of parts should be undertaken in accordance with local health, safety and environmental regulations. If a respirator has been used in an area that has caused it to become contaminated with a substance requiring special decontamination procedures, observe the precautions described in the manufacturer's health and safety information. Storage. When not in use or for transportation purposes, please use the carry bag provided or optional hold-all to protect the unit from physical or chemical damage. The unit should be stored in dry, clean conditions away from direct sunlight, sources of heat, solvents, and solvent vapors. For further details, please refer to the user instructions provided. With proper use and care, this next-generation respiratory system will enhance workplace performance with protection you can count on.